one.
Hey everyone, this is Tommy with Bodyguard Athletics. I'm excited to be paired up with Project Hockey. Today we'll be going over week 1 of the Project Hockey Speed workout. As we go through this, I'm going to be looking at my sheet. I want you to be looking at your sheet. So as I'm looking down, you're also looking down. As we go through the workout, you'll see the first box, A, B, C, D, E. That's a jump progression. I want you to rest roughly 30 to 60 seconds. With that jump stuff, you can just rest 30 seconds. You do A first, one set, 10 seconds, then you go down to B, C, D. You'll notice there's a space in between our jump progression and the A, B, C, shuffle, 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 and then 5, 10, 5. That's our agility progression. There's a space, and then we see the bottom, A1, A2, those are paired. So lateral, wall sit, iso paired up with prone angels. You do those two together, then you go down to B1 and B2, those are paired together. 2 sets of those two. Then we're looking at C1 and C2, those are paired. 2 sets of those. One thing I would like to point out with this day 1, if we're looking at the shuffle at 75%, that's kind of confusing. What do you mean 75%? Well, 75% effort with the shuffle as you shuffle down. If you have 2 cones set up 5 yards apart, 75% effort shuffling down, but this transition is full speed coming back. We're working on your ability to change directions as fast as you can. The reason it's 75% is because we're working on the technique of the exercise, the technique of the drill. So it's controlled going down, boom, come back quick. Be quick as you can. It's like getting to the net off of that line, quick as you can, 75%. And one thing I forgot to say this at the beginning, but all of these exercises are hyperlinked. If you don't know what something is, or if you're just not real positive, click on the exercise, look how it's done. I gave video technique. I talked about the technique of each exercise going through this. So click on the exercise and check it out. Now I'm looking at day 2. Day 2, the sprint 5 yards pause, and then the sprint, and then letter C is 5, 10, 5. Again, that's the sprint. You'll notice a little bit of a difference. Day 1 is 5, 10, 5, a shuffle only. Then day 2 is 5, 10, 5, where you're sprinting. After the sprint, the agility progression, we have some short sprints, working on speed, and then it's the strength phase, or the strength box at the very bottom. Now we're on day 3. Day 3, we have A, B, and C is a jump progression. A, B, so there's a space, A, B, that's the agility and speed. A by itself is speed, and then we finish up with the strength phase, strength stuff at the bottom. If you guys have any questions about this workout, I want you to put them in the help me out here, Google Classroom at the bottom. If you want video feedback, if you want to video yourself doing an exercise and you want to know if you're doing it correctly, email that to myself. And the link will be in the bottom. The link will be at the bottom.